blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I was created for.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, another hair video at that. If you're new here, my name is Maisha. Thank you for clicking on this video. Let's get right into this. I have been a straight natural for a couple months now, and it's been a lot of trial and error. I'm just gonna be very honest, but I feel comfortable enough showing you guys my routine now because it's not perfect. It's good enough to share with y'all. Y'all can see my hair is looking very dull indeed. The dandruffs are taking over. I'm about to wash my hair. First things first is I'm going to pick out some hair products to, you know, shampoo, conditioner, all the things. I don't have all the products that I want, and I'm still learning what products that I need. I've been really wanting to try Amika. I know the girls be saying try Amika, try Amika. Amika is expensive. So I'm going to use the things that I have now, but gradually as time goes, I am probably going to invest in some very good hair products for like straight natural hair because I need it to last. That's the key. The key is to getting it to last. First things first is let's wash and condition this hair because it's a hot mess. Okay, y'all, so first things first is I go to my stash and I try to determine what hair products I'm going to use for today's wash. Just try to determine like how my hair is feeling, like what I think my scalp needs, what I think my hair needs, and I just go through each of the products and I'm like, okay, let me see what do I need today. So that's basically what I do, and I make a decision and we go with it. I did wash my hair with this shampoo. So right now I'm doing a deep conditioner. I just felt like my hair needed one. You know, you can kind of go off of how your hair feels, how your scalp feels, or do this professionally, you know, and let them do it. But I feel like my hair needed some extra little boost. So I always use this and this. So this is the TPH Master Clean, and it's a scalp wash. When I usually, after I take my braids down, I would use this combo, and it makes my scalp feel so refreshed. And so I'm just feeling like that's what I needed with my scalp like today. So this is a really good product to have. I put this all over my hair, and then I combed it out, and I just have one big braid, and I just put this cap on it. I'm gonna let it sit for, it says 15 minutes, but y'all know we do more than 15 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes, and I'll be back once I have washed this out, conditioned my hair, and it's time to style it. I have washed my hair. Now I am about to start blow drying my hair. I do blow dry my hair with the Revlon blow dryer. I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all all the things that I'm probably gonna be using from now on because I'm gonna be in the zone. So yeah, so I'm blow dry with the Revlon brush blow dryer. I got this from TJ Maxx. It was $20. For the hot tools that I'm going to be using, I am going to be using TYMO, the straightener, and it has like the comb, so you can kind of comb your hair through it. And then y'all probably have seen this. This is the Viral Curler. It's the 2-in-1 or 3-in-1, something like that. TYMO curler, and it does have the fan on it that's protects your hair from the heat. It's a fan built in it, so even when you touch it, it's not hot, and it just pushes the heat some type of way out to set the curl or something. But I love this thing. These two together has been helping me with my getting my hair straight, silky, like I like it. These are the products that I use to maintain my hair. This is the Joico Heat Hero. I did get this one from TJ Maxx also, as y'all see the little red tag, but this is a heat protectant. I spray this on my hair before I blow dry, and then I spray it on my hair again before I put any heat on it, additional heat, like my straightener and my curler. I'm paranoid. I've had heat damage in the past that I've done to myself. I have been scared of heat damage, honestly, and I used to always go to a professional, go to the shop and get it done. But you know what? I'm saving my money, so I'm doing it on my own because I can learn how to do this. That's why I do it twice. I don't think you need to do it twice. You probably can just spray it once. It's in your hair and it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. but I need a little extra because I'm a little paranoid. And I do recommend this, and I definitely want to go get a bigger one, but this is the Wild Dream Coat. So it says it's a humidity proofing spray, and when I tell y'all, since I've been using this, I promise you my hair has not reverted back to curly. It has not. And it freezes up a little bit, but it's not as frizzy as it used to be. So this has definitely worked very good for me. This Paul Mitchell serum, I do put this on my hair before I go in with my curler, and it just gives me a nice little gloss and a little, you know, the little silky finish that it needs. So yeah, I use this, and this also has a humidity resistance in it also. So I think these two together really does the job. So let's get right into the styling part.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm his. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you should lie with him. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm his. Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself, guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm his.
I have finished silk pressing my hair. This is how it looks. Now it is very flowy. I have not mastered how to get it like bone straight, but I don't wear my hair bone straight anyway. But this is how it looks. I have worn my hair like this before. I think it's a nice, you know, natural type of silk press. It's not too straight. It still has a little body to it, so you can stop right here if you like to. I like my hair curls, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some curls to this.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause oh, I love some music, but oh, I just can't do it. So my god, you amaze me, you're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game, they're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're feeling, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all.
This is how my hair turned out. I love it. Of course, after time goes by, my curls will begin to fall. They won't be as tight, but this is so flowy. Like, I could just really move my hands and my fingers through it. I love that. I'm really not into straight hair like that, but I'm gonna try it if y'all want me to. So let me know if y'all want the routine of how I get my hair straight. And yeah, that is basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and I will see y'all in the next video.